Verify the integrity of game files. Step 1. Open Steam Client and go to Library. Step 2. Locate Halo Infinite, right-click it and choose Properties. Step 3. On the next screen, go to Local Files section. Step 4. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Step 5. Wait for the process to finish and see how things turn out. Think about graphics driver. Step 1. Visit your graphic card's manufacturer website and look for the latest driver for your model. Step 2. Download and work through the steps in the installer to install the driver. You may see some screen flickering while the graphic card driver is being updated. Optional. If you're using an AMD card, download the Radeon software Adrenaline for Halo Infinite. Disable overlays and third-party programs. Step 1. Open Steam Client and go to Library. Step 2. Right-click Halo Infinite Properties. Step 3. In General section, uncheck the Enable Steam Overlay while in-game option at the top of the screen. After taking care of overlays, you should deal with conflicting third-party programs. Completely close programs that have been known to make Halo Infinite crash, such as MSI Afterburner and Razer Synapse. Disable full-screen optimization. Step 1. Go to the game's installation directory. If you are unsure where it is, you can open Steam and go to Library, Halo Infinite Properties, Local Files Browse. Step 2. Right-click Halo Infinite exe and click Properties. Step 3. Go to Compatibility tab. Step 4. Find and check the box that says Disable Full Screen Optimization. Remove Multiplayer High-Res Textures DLC. Step 1. Open Steam and go to Library to open Halo Infinite Properties, as before. Step 2. On the left side, click DLC located at the bottom. Step 3. Uncheck the box next to Multiplayer High-Res Textures. Now open the game and check.